Hello my dear students, I welcome you all in today's session. Today in this video I am going to solve question number 6 of exercise 4.2. I think this is the last question of exercise 4.2. So let's start with this question. Question number 6 here, see. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day, right? A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article, right? See, I think question is clear to all of you. So see, I am going for the solution part. Let the number of articles produced on a particular day be x. Now I am taking the number of articles produced on a particular day be x, okay, and cost of production of each article. I am taking what is the cost of production of each article. It is given that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of article produced. 3 more than twice the article produced. So 2x plus 3, right? So the cost of production of each article is rupees 2x plus 3. Number of article produced on a particular day is x, means in one day the number of article being produced is x. What is the cost of production of each article is 2x plus 3, right? So the total cost of production on a particular day will be C. So the total cost of production. So the total cost of production on particular day is how much? See, if you are producing one article, then it costs 2x plus 3. So one article production is 2x plus 3, and you are producing x articles. So just multiply it, right? So this is the total cost of production, right? According to question, it is given how much? On a particular day it was 90. So 2x plus 3 multiplied by x, and it is 90, right? So just you have to simplify it and you will get the answer. See, 2x plus 3 multiplied by x will get 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. See, for getting the real roots, what we have to calculate? First of all, we have to calculate d, right? So d is how much? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4, a is 2, and c is minus 90. So it will be how much? 9. This is minus minus plus, 8 9 is 72. So it will be 720, or it become 729, which is greater than 0. So we'll get two values of x, two distinct value of x that will get, right? So see here. So now we can calculate x. So x is minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. What is minus what is b? B is 3, so minus 3 plus minus under root 729 divided by 2. And what is a? Coefficient of x square, it is 2. So we are getting minus 3 plus minus 27 upon 4, or you can say minus 3 plus 27 upon 4, and another one is minus 3 minus 27 upon 4. Is it clear to all of you guys? Okay, so see here, what is the value of x we are getting? So x is minus 3 plus 27 upon 4, and another one is minus 3 minus 27 upon 4. See, 27 minus 3, it is 24 upon 4, and this is minus 30 upon 4. So this will give 6, and this is 15 upon 2. So x we are getting as 6, and another one is minus 15 upon 2. Right. See here, what is x? X is the number of particle produced. So number of particle cannot be negative. So we will have to ignore the value of x, negative value. So I am just ignoring the negative value. Negative value is not permissible, right? So the value of x permissible here is 6. So the allowed value of x is, that is 6. So the number of particles produced on a particular day is 6. So if the number of particles produced is 6, then what is the cost of production of each article? If x is coming 6, so what is the cost of production on a particular day? That is 2 multiplied by 6 plus 3. So it will be 12 plus 3, 15. Right, 15 rupees. So the number of articles produced in that day is 6, and the cost of production of each article is rupees 15. Right. So what is asked in the question? Number of article produced, so it is 6, and the cost of production of each article, that is rupees 15. I think 6th question is clear to all of you. How is the video? Please do comments, right? And the next exercise will cover in the next video. Keep watching, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you. Keep watching.